Welcome to the FォルボMarmoleum tile installation video. Installing Marmoleum tile is similar to installing any other resilient tile flooring. When installing Marmoleum tile, be sure to use the correct Fォrbo adhesive with a 16th-inch square notch trowel. Because the tiles have two sides with a slight bevel cut, installing in alternating directions or quarter turning the tiles allows for the best fit at the seams. If you install the tiles in the same direction, you're more likely to get loose-fitting joints and seams. The natural marbleization of the material may also show more and give the appearance of mismatched seams. Marmoleum tiles must be installed into the adhesive before it flashes off or dries, and then rolled immediately with a 100-pound roller. If not, you can experience problems such as the material coming loose from the substrate, the edges could show evidence of lifting, or the material could shrink or expand. Spread the adhesive in an area you can cover before it flashes off. Special care should be taken at the perimeter. It's important that cut tiles are placed into wet adhesive and rolled immediately to achieve the proper transfer. Installing tiles into flashed adhesive is one of the most common installation failures we see. Tiles often appear to be laid down tightly, but will pucker or bubble a few days after installation because they aren't really adhered to the substrate. When you install tile and you make sure that you get it into wet adhesive and you roll it immediately, you're going to be left with a floor that is stuck down tight and it will not come up. Thanks for watching this Fォrbo video. For other videos, see us at youtube.com/FォrboflooringNA. And for additional technical and training school information, visit us at FォrboflooringNA.com.